Let me guess, you felt it? That quiet frustration when your energy dips, your confidence fades, and you wonder if you're really performing at your best in every part of life. You've probably heard of quick fixes, like pills, supplements, gadgets, that promise miracles overnight. But deep down, you know the truth. Real strength, real confidence, comes from within. And what if I told you that the key to unlocking stronger, longer-lasting erections, better blood flow, and renewed masculine energy isn't found in a bottle, but in your own body? In today's video, we're going to explore 5 powerful exercises that can naturally improve your performance, boost circulation, and help you feel rock solid inside and out. Exercise number 1, Kegel pelvic floor strengthening. Before we talk about strength, we need to talk about the foundation, because beneath every movement, every breath, every spark of masculine power, lies a network of muscles most men never train: the pelvic floor. This group of muscles is the hidden engine of your lower body, controls blood flow, supports your organs, and helps you maintain that rock-solid control when it matters most. The first exercise on our list is one that's clinically proven to improve erections, stamina, and even confidence: Kegel exercises. Forget the jokes you've heard. This isn't some light squeeze and release trick. When done right, it's real training for real results. Here's how you do it. 1. Find the muscle. Imagine you're stopping the flow of urine midstream. That's your pelvic floor muscle. 2. Contract. Squeeze and hold for 3 to 5 seconds, keeping your abs and glutes relaxed. 3. Release. Rest for the same amount of time, then repeat. Start with 10 to 15 reps, 2 or 3 times a day. Exercise number 2. Aerobic training, blood flow, and endurance. Strength matters, but power. Power flows through your veins. Erections are not just about muscles, they're about circulation. Your heart, arteries, and blood flow are the silent engine behind every surge of performance. And nothing boosts that engine like aerobic exercise. You don't need fancy machines or a gym membership. Brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, anything that gets your heart pumping for 30 to 40 minutes 3 to 5 times a week will prime your body for better performance. Aerobic training reduces stress, boosts testosterone, and sharpens your mood. All critical ingredients for peak masculine health. Think of aerobic training as your internal plumbing upgrade. The more you move, the freer the flow. The better the flow, the stronger the results. Exercise number 3, glute bridge core and pelvic power. Now that we've strengthened your foundation and opened the flow, it's time to activate the powerhouse beneath your hips. The glutes, often overlooked, are critical for strength, endurance, and yes, peak performance where it counts. Enter the glute bridge. This movement isn't just about firm glutes or a strong core. It's about creating synergy between your hips, pelvis, and lower back. Together, these muscles support blood flow, stability, and control. The building blocks of rock-solid performance. Here's how to do it. 1. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. 2. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes as you lift your hips toward the ceiling. 3. Pause at the top for 2 to 3 seconds, feeling the activation in your glutes and pelvic floor. 4. Slowly lower your hips back down. Start with 10 to 15 reps, 2 to 3 sets, focusing on controlled movement and full engagement. These bridges do more than sculpt. They improve pelvic stability, enhance blood flow, and strengthen the muscles that directly impact erection quality. Exercise number 4, plank core stability and endurance. Strength is nothing without control. Power is meaningless without endurance. And that's exactly what the plank delivers. This simple yet brutal movement is the ultimate core builder. It trains the muscles that stabilize your spine, your hips, and the very foundation that supports sexual performance. Here's how to do it. 1. Lie face down, forearms on the ground, elbows under shoulders. 2. Lift your body off the floor, forming a straight line from head to heels. 3. Engage your abs, squeeze your glutes, and keep your hips steady. Don't let them sag or rise. 4. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing steadily, then lower slowly. Start with 2 to 3 sets, gradually increasing hold time as your endurance grows. A strong, stable core improves pelvic alignment, blood flow, and muscular control, all essential for longer-lasting erections and better sexual performance. Exercise number 5, yoga and hippoponing poses. Strength, circulation, control. We've built the foundation, opened the flow, and trained endurance. Now, it's time to unlock freedom and flexibility, the often overlooked key to peak performance. Tight hips, stiffness, and tension can restrict blood flow and limit pelvic mobility. Yoga and hip-opening exercises target these areas, enhancing circulation, relaxation, and overall sexual health. Here's how to get started. 1. Bow pose. Lie on your stomach, bend your knees, reach back to grab your ankles. Lift your chest and thighs off the floor, opening your hips and stretching your back. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. 2. Cobra pose. Lie face down, hands under shoulders, elbows tucked in. Press into your hands, lifting your chest while keeping hips grounded. Opens the pelvis and strengthens spinal support. 3. Bridge pose. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift hips toward the ceiling, squeezing glutes and engaging core. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Regular practice improves blood flow, pelvic mobility, and relaxation, which together enhance erection quality and overall vitality. Yoga isn't just flexibility, it's control, endurance, and mindful power. So, here's the truth. There's no magic pill, no shortcut. Real strength, real confidence, real performance. It comes from consistent action. These 5 exercises, Kegels, aerobic training, glute bridges, planks, and yoga hippoponers, when practiced consistently, build strength, control, circulation, and flexibility, the pillars of peak male health and performance. The next step is simple. Commit to the journey. Do the work, own your power. If this video helped you see what's possible, like, share, and subscribe to join a community of men taking charge of their health, strength, and confidence.